So guys, so leo nataka nichaze hiyo question yenye watu wengi wameniuliza kwa comment section about CBEX, whether it is a scam or not. So guys, that is a question which is trending now. So let me tell you the truth about that company. So first one, kitu yenye unataka kujua hapo kabla you invest or you put your money in anywhere, so unapata kujua kama hiyo farm imeauthoriziwa by Central Bank of Kenya ama Capital Market Fund au Capital Authority Fund. So kama hajaauthoriziwa na hiyo, jua tu hiyo ni scam. So in my investigation about this CBEX, I've come to realize that haina authorized yeyote kuhusiana na Central Bank of Kenya au the Capital Market Authority. So haina authority kwa hizo farms, na kama hakuna kitu yenye imeauthoriziwa na hiyo kitu sio legal. So guys, let me tell you, the thing is a scam and avoid them. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the notification bell so that we can keep growing. So thanks.